The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Alright guys, welcome back to Second and Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So yeah, like the title says, it's gonna be the last video, but the last video of its kind. When I mean the last video, I'm just talking about the last video of its kind where there's no real direction. You guys know, usually when I'm doing videos, there is some type of story, there's something that I'm trying to convey to you guys, or just some type of adventure or fun. Yeah, Kurt's memorial hasn't started just yet. So as soon as I get done with attending that and everything, then we're going to be working on some really good content in Miami. So that's going to be a vibe. Anyway, yeah, I think I got a package. I'm not so sure. I've been getting a bunch of packages. If you guys don't know me, I love shopping at Amazon. I'm sure Jilly's doing something in the back. Oh, you're not?
I did this.
Oh, you did that? Okay.
Guys.
I thought she was gonna like, meme me because like, yeah. I love shopping, doing a bunch of shopping. So getting some stuff that I think I'm gonna really need, and yeah. Okay, cool. So I just got the final, well, not the final piece, one of the final bottles that I need in terms of gifts. So yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. So today we are going to the bank. We're gonna try to do something at the mall, do some shopping. I may or may not take you guys to all of these things because really and truly, you guys know my videos. There is normally some kind of story behind it or some teachable moment. So yeah. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do and film with you guys on that today. Yo, big up to everybody that has their birthday in December. My birthday is December, so definitely go. Yeah, you're excited for my birthday?
Of course,
oh my
I'm
gosh.
super excited for your birthday.
Yeah, the reason why she's excited about my birthday because he treats my birthday like our birthday. But anyway, guys, yo, make sure, I forgot to mention this the last time, or probably I did. Make sure you guys jump over to the coldest, because yo, this is the main week. It's gonna be blackout at the coldest water this week, guys. Yo, they have the hyper blackout edition. That's a new color. So if you like new colors and you just want to always be in the vibe with that, get that new color. It's dropped November 25th, and you're gonna get up to about 50% off selected drops throughout this month, and up to 20% off the entire website at thecoldestwater.com/blackout. I don't know about you guys, but I just like the new colors. I'm all for getting new colors for different outfits. If you're like me, you can mix it. Do I really mix and match? If I'm to be honest,
Mix and match what?
the colors, the bottles,
No, I mean it makes
yeah, but
gray.
yeah, I know some
Black
people.
and gray and black.
Yeah. Okay. She basically showed me up there, guys, because I've just gotten into like more colors and stuff like that, putting more colors into my wardrobe or whatever. But yeah, if you're one of those persons who just like mix and matching and stuff, you'll jump over there, get your discounts. And like I always say, it really helps me when you do that because I do get a kickback. I do see people still ordering their bottles. Before there was a huge wave of people buying them, so I guess quite a few people have gotten their bottles. If you haven't gotten yours, make sure you go out and get it. Anyway, we are going to head on the road. Like I said, today's video is going to be just a normal video, not my kind of video in general, but after this video, I promise you it's going to be crazy. I'm going to try to share as much as I can in terms of the things that I learned from my best friend. I'm going to share as much as I can about my experiences. It could just be being out here in Miami, and let me tell you, man, I can't say it enough. It's going to be really good. Anyway, what's the first stop today?
The bank.
The bank. All right, we'll catch you there. All right, I know I'm not the only man with this situation. So just now when I was filming, Jilly was sitting down, she was in the house, she was ready. And then as soon as I was ready, she was unready. So now I'm out here just waiting for her to be ready. Look who finally made it, guys. Yep. And we have made it. Alright guys, so mission accomplished. I got done what I needed to get done. What I love about American banks, or just American service in general, if you've been with them for a very long time, It's like they make things happen for you. Like they really respect long-term customers. That's, for me, that's a plus. Anyway, we're heading to next. Food. All right, cool. All right, so we're just about to make our quick little stop off, and we are at IHOP. Yeah, International House of Pancakes. I don't know what they were trying to do when they tried to switch it to International House of Burgers. IHOP, was it? No, IHOP or whatever it was. It was crazy. But anyway, we're gonna go in here and get something to eat. So, just having a quick drink of coffee. I believe the coffee is like unlimited here or something like that. They've got for years old. Yeah, crazy. Alright guys, so I got my, like for the last 4 times I've been at IHOP, this has been the very same thing that I ordered. It's really good. I used to work at IHOP before, so I know like how they prepare all of this, and I won't lie, like for the price, it tastes really like, you know, pretty decent steak, tender and everything, flavor is good. Jilly got the, what you got? Country fried steak.
Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that's the vibe. So the last time I ordered country fried steak, where did I buy it from again? Oh,
Texas Roadhouse.
Texas Roadhouse, and it was like amazing. The last 2 times you were here, you're contemplating getting this. Hit or miss?
Tastes like a sausage patty.
What?
Like those ones you get in the hotel.
Oh, then.
Yeah.
Do they taste good?
It's not bad. It's not Texas Roadhouse for sure.
100. I get what you're saying. Like sausage.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but if you've had like a real, you know, like this is kind of inferior compared to that. And you know the funny part about it too, the price difference are not off.
No.
Because I think at Texas Roadhouse we spent, when I got it, it was like $19.
It wasn't so much either.
Whatever it was, like $12 or whatever, and this is like what? $11. So it's not really even a price difference, it's just quality of meat.
I didn't go to Texas Roadhouse, it was too far.
This morning? No?
I was in a second spot, right?
Oh yeah, we can go there before we leave, for sure.
Even yours that you made at home was nicer than it.
Yeah, and I never use like no top quality, nothing really.
Why never get that, man?
So Judy's about to try the I don't like it technique, so she's gonna get it changed. But the guy just said that.
He did say that if I don't like it, I can let him know.
Yeah. I don't know, but this whole dollop of butter on top of the pancake, outrageous.
I like it.
You like it?
What?
I mean, the butter tastes good as hell, but like,
The pancake got butter on it? Is it really pancakes?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Wow. Welcome to America. So they just made the steak tips, still keep the mash and the corn. Yo, customer service, bro.
That's right, at its best.
I'm done. What's good? Alright, so that's their bill. So we're gonna tip him real quick. I like how they do the breakdown of everything, percentage wise. So we're going 7, and 20% is like $6 basically. Yeah, he was a vibe. Did the belly full. So we kind of have a screech out because there's a swarm of bees. The swarm of bees that's on the palm tree. I can't go there to show you guys. You guys know I used to do beekeeping and stuff. Yeah. So there's swarm of bees out there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do some Christmas shopping now. I want to get some other gifts apart from just the coldest bottles.
Christmas!
My girlfriend is very, 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 very big on Christmas stuff. Like, she's very big on that. So I'm gonna get some stuff from mom as well. I already got something for Keanu, for Jilly. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it from now. So what I really wanted, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. What I really wanted to get for Jilly, you guys know, that's why on these videos I've always been saying, yo, go get these stuff really quick, whether it's the coldless bottles or whatever the case is, because if you're getting electronics or anything that's popular, people are gonna buy them out like so quick, or it's gonna have a very long shipping time. You guys know I don't live out here in the US. I'm going back in a couple days. So what I had ordered went through a bunch of different problems. So yeah, it's not gonna make it. But
My sister's gift is already sorted out. I already had gotten Jilly a secondary gift as well because I wanted to get like a bunch of stuff. But anyway, so my sister, Jilly, Sarah, I've gotten for already. Keanu, I've gotten something that I really know he wants. I think everybody sorted out except mom, isn't me? So that's gonna be the vibe, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here because what I'm gonna get, I don't want like my mom to see what it is. So I'll catch you guys in another video, and like I said, it's gonna be the last video of this kind. Every other video from this point on is gonna be something teachable, something really cool, sit down, do it really well. And yeah, as I said, I'm gonna show you something or teach you something about my best friend, you know, who passed away. And yeah, his story will continue throughout, right? And remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember,
to keep the link.
link.